Good Tuesday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather here on Tuesday, March the 18th. Let's talk about your forecast. What's in store for the next 6 days? What's in store for tomorrow? And what else do we have coming up, as well as going over the severe weather outlook for Sunday, any new updates that we have on that. So first, starting off with the 6-day forecast. On Wednesday, you're going to start off with some cloudy skies. It'll start to turn sunny as we go throughout the day. Highs will be really in the southern, southeastern portions of our coverage area. They're going to be more in the mid to near, maybe even upper 70s. And further north, you're going to have, further north and west, you're going to see more temperatures in the mid to upper 60s due to a cold front coming through. And behind that front, we have red flag warnings in place, which we'll get to that here in just a minute. But just know the wildfire danger is increasing some with that because relative humidity levels or moisture levels will drop and it'll be dry, super windy throughout the rest of tonight and into tomorrow. Overnight lows will be in the upper 30s, upper to mid 30s there across the area. Do have a small 10% chance of some maybe an isolated shower or two somewhere across the coverage area, mainly in the morning. And then as we go into Thursday, windy conditions start to decrease. Highs are going to be in the upper 50s, a little bit of a cooler day ahead for your day on Thursday with sunny skies, overnight lows in the 30s. And then as we go into Friday, we start to warm up some with sunny skies. Highs in the mid to upper 60s. A few lower 70s will be possible with overnight lows in the 40s. Then on Saturday, mostly sunny skies. Do have a 10% chance of maybe some moisture there, some rainfall with some increasing cloud cover in front of a system coming in with highs in the mid 70s there. Overnight lows will be in the lower 50s. And then the big day that we're watching this week, thunderstorms look like a possibility with some severe weather being a potential there. Highs going to be in the mid to upper 70s. Not ruling out the possibility of a few 80-degree temperatures there with overnight lows in the mid or lower 50s there with a 60% chance of rain right now in store for the forecast. Mainly looks like this afternoon and evening for your severe weather threat. Then on Monday, sunny skies look likely. Forecasted highs going to be around 70 degrees with overnight lows in the mid 40s to start off next week. Real quickly, let's talk a little bit more about Sunday. As you can see, the severe weather risk has got pushed a little further south, although I wouldn't rule out a possible shift north. Right now, continuing to watch Sunday, not a whole lot's changed. Just continuing to get more data in. The main threats right now look to be damaging or some large hail and damaging wind threat. Timing once again looks to be afternoon into the evening hours as a system storms try to fire off and develop in the northern area of the moisture sector. And that right now looks set up about where the northern end of that slight risk is at. Now remember, this could and will change between now and Sunday, but then those storms are going to start to move. A complex of storms will start to move south across severe weather risk on Sunday. So that's just an early preview of that. But real quickly, let's talk about the potential wind on your day for throughout the rest of today and into tomorrow. This is the HRRR model. This shows you the potential wind gust values throughout pretty much the next 48 hours from 1 p.m. And if you look, don't take these numbers as exact, but as we go into the overnight hours, it could even get windier of up into the 40s across the area, maybe near 50 near Texas or Mena. And then they really continue throughout tomorrow morning, and you're seeing gusts of up 30 to 40 miles per hour. Being a possibility throughout most of the day tomorrow, and then those should start to subside some there on Thursday, and you can see 20-30 mile per hour wind gusts being a possibility there on Thursday. Now taking a look at those relative humidity levels, this is an indicator of some moisture values, and you'll see as we go throughout the night tonight, that's going to increase due to that incoming front. But really, as that front comes through tomorrow, they're going to drop and dry out before some more moisture comes in that evening and night. But if you go back here, you're talking potentially relative humidity values in the 30% to 20% range with 40 mile per hour wind gusts. That's a good indicator that maybe there'll be some that there could be that potential for some for some dangerous wildfire conditions anyways, and burning is not recommended. Now if we take a look at the wildfire danger from the Arkansas Forestry Department, that shows a wildfire danger risk of high in the orange color across all of Arkansas. These checkered boxed areas here, those red checker boxed areas, are burn ban. So in our coverage area, Union County and Ouachita area or counties are now the only two counties under a burn ban. Most of northwest Arkansas is under a burn ban, and elsewhere has some scattered areas. Once again, this high wildfire danger basically means fires ignite easily and spread quickly. Unintended brush fires and campfires are likely to escape. Fires may become serious if not attacked earlier on in your period in the period there when we're watching for that. Now, taking a look, this is where our current red flag warnings are at for basically all of the Little Rock coverage area. That is the National Weather Service Little Rock's coverage area. This is the Tulsa coverage area, Memphis coverage area, National Weather Service wise. Shreveport's down here, and Jackson, Mississippi has these two counties. But you can see we have a red flag warning in place which is in effect from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wednesday. What to expect: southwest winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour or higher possible. A wind shift to the west and eventually northwest is expected behind an advancing frontal boundary, and expect the humidity levels to drop into the 20th percentile after the frontal system moves through. Once again, any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended for your Wednesday. Now, real quickly, once again, just a quick little overview. Not a whole lot to talk about in today's Outlook. We're going to have a more in-depth look at the forecast tomorrow for tomorrow's weather coming out tomorrow morning. As always, make sure to check us out over on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube. Make sure to follow us on all these platforms. We post a lot of different types of content on all of them as well, so make sure to check us out over there, and your support goes a long way. If you're here and you like these videos, make sure to hit that hit the like below, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification bell to get the newest information. As always, I want to say a big thanks to all of our sponsors: Palmer's Roofing, Southern Dumpster Rentals, J&S Auto Supply Bumper to Bumper in Murfreesboro, Landmark Insurance Agency, Patterson's Credit Union, Tanner Energy and Nutrition in Murfreesboro, and Fort Smith Therapy. Make sure to check them all out over on Facebook, and make sure if you are in need of any of these sort of services, make sure to give them a call. As always, have a good rest of your Tuesday. See you back here tomorrow evening with another look at what's in store for the rest of this week.